Today we're flying from Bali to Bangkok into our high-rise condo 1 week after the earthquake in Myanmar at a 7.7 magnitude, and it affected Thailand. One building actually collapsed. There are reports of other buildings that have major structural damage, and the residents had to be evacuated. So we're concerned about our safety. We booked the condo 2 months ago, and we had to pay 1 month's worth of rent all in one go. Immediately after the earthquake happened, we contacted our host, who said that everything is fine, right? So he didn't highlight any issues, it's safe to come in, the facilities all work. We've been reading reports about wall cracks, damage, water leaks. A few days ago, we contacted the host again. He said the facilities are out of order. Tried to ask for somewhat of a discount, but he refused to budge. Our host is not helpful, Airbnb is useless, just keeps going around in circles. We just landed in Don Mueang International Airport in Thailand, and now we're going to meet the driver and head to the condo and check out how livable it is. Last night I was just lying in bed and thinking, what if there's an aftershock, or what if there's another earthquake? Would I have time to grab my things and run all the way down 24 floors to safety, or whether I should stay here in the room hiding in a table? Nothing's changed, silence on all fronts. Airbnb host doesn't give a shit. The gym and swimming pool are still out of order. We asked the building management when they think it would come back. Don't know. I also explored the chargeback, but it's going to take up to 8 weeks to get a resolution. You'd think that she's choosing perfumes, but she's choosing the washing detergent.
We'll have a toast.
It's day 3 and we finally got some good news. After complaining on X or Twitter, Airbnb support contacted us through WhatsApp, and they're offering a 30% discount on every day we stay here as long as the facilities remain out of order. They told us that if we decided to leave early, it will be a full refund of all the unused days. So we decided to cut our stay shorter and leave in 10 days right after Songkran. We started the visa process with Vietnam, and as soon as we get this, we'll be booking our flight to Da Nang. It was quite stressful, but we got a good resolution, so pretty happy about that. Take care everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.